Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to share with you how you can use ChatGPT 5 to perform data extraction, data analysis, and visualization. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's assume, for example, that here I got a 10K report for NVIDIA, and 10K report includes a lot of financial information about a certain company. So for example, here we got a lot of graphs, we got a lot of tables, and we got balance sheets, income statements, and so on. So what I wanted to do is I would like to go ahead, upload this document here. So I'm going to grab the NVIDIA 10K report. You can just drag and drop here to ChatGPT 5. And now you can go ahead and ask it, well, could you please extract the specific information from that report? So now I'm going to ask it, could you please tell me what are the main revenue sources for NVIDIA? So now ChatGPT 5 is going to scan through the entire document and it's going to extract a certain section from that document, which is incredible. So now we don't have to go and read 500-page document, and now you can use ChatGPT and all these generative AI tools to extract specifically the information that you are looking for. Okay, let me show you another example. Let's assume that here I got a financial statement for a company. So for example, I got balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statement. And now I would like to use ChatGPT to analyze this financial statement. So now I can go back, I can navigate, just upload this document, which is financial statement, again, drag and drop. And now we can simply ask ChatGPT, could you please analyze the company's financials here and identify if there are any financial or potential liquidity risk. So now you see the Excel sheet has been read by ChatGPT 5, and now it's analyzing. So now it's actually generating Python code behind the scenes. It's trying to read all these different numbers, and it's going to come back with an informed decision about this company's liquidity. So here we go. So it's going to give you, well, it's going to calculate all the current ratio for the company, all the quick ratio, for example, all the operating cash flows. It's going to tell you if there are any liquidity risks as well associated with this company. Okay, let me show you another example. Let's assume that here I got a problem that looks like that. So if you go here, you will see this is a classical problem. You have here, for example, mass, you have few forces, and you would like to ask ChatGPT to calculate for you what is the direction and magnitude of the acceleration on that box. So let's go ahead and see if ChatGPT has that kind of image recognition capability. It's able to read this image and come down with equations, substitute in those equations. So let's go ahead and see. So now I'm going to grab, kind of drag and drop that problem solving. And then I'm going to ask it, could you please solve this problem? And you press enter. All right, so here we go. So now it took ChatGPT a few seconds for it to run. And now it was able to extract all the numbers from the problem. It was able to write down the equations and substitute as well here for you. All right, next, let's assume I would like to use ChatGPT 5 to perform data visualization for us and analysis. And here I got a classic data set for cancer data. So for example, I got the mean radius, I got the mean texture of tumor cells. And here we got a target column that includes simply 0 or 1, indicating whether patients have cancer or not. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to upload this data to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to ask it, please go ahead and maybe create 10 different visualizations for me. Let me show you. So here I'm going to say, could you please, here, I want you to create 10 different data visualizations to highlight various aspects of this data sets. So let's go ahead and see how ChatGPT is going to generate Python code for us. It's going to import all these different libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn, and it's going to create or generate all these figures right here inside of ChatGPT. All right, and here we go. Now you should see ChatGPT 5 is able to create really amazing data visualizations here. So you can see a nice box plot. You can also see, for example, scatter chart here. Here we got a correlation heat map. So you can see all the correlations between features. And you can see here a nice kind of pair plot that has been created. And if you keep scrolling down, it's actually asking you if you'd like to have more additional data visualizations as well. With that, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it.